Hello everyone, welcome to part 21 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in this video, we are going to continue working on user photos that we have started in the last video. And in last video, we have made this page, this step 3 page for uploading photos and where we have seen that we able to upload the photos and we worked on it. We have added the function in user controller, and that is step 3, and here we have displayed all the images, whatever images we will add. Like if we will add these two images and open, then click on submit, see the images are coming here. Okay, so this one we will continue, and for uploading the images, actually we are going to install intervention package. Okay, and this package also will be helpful if you want to resize your images to some particular size. If in case your user added heavy image, that you can resize it to smaller one. And also we are going to add this image here in this user photo table, and also we will create one folder photos. I think we already created that folder in front end images. Okay, that also we will create one folder here in front end images photos folder we will create, and where the images we are going to upload. Okay, so there must be folder. We have not created any folder so far, but we will create. Okay, so we will work on now part 21. Okay, so in part 21 we will continue working on user photos. Okay, we are going to install intervention package. Okay, intervention package for uploading images, and we will add images in photos folder, and in database in users underscore photos users underscore photos table as well, that we have created in last video. Okay, so let's start working on. So what we are going to do, we are going to update composer.json file. Okay, a very simple thing we will do. We will add intervention image. Intervention means we will add intervention syntax. Okay, so we will add below statement that is like intervention, then image, then this one close like this, and then again tab master like this. Okay, and okay, this one we are going to add in composer.json, and we are going to open composer.json here. Okay, so we will add below statement under require. Okay, okay, so this one we are going to add here. After comma we'll put comma, and here we will add. Okay, after adding this one in composer.json, in second step what we will do, we will run below command, and that command is simply composer update. Okay, composer update. Okay, so this command we are going to run now. Let's run this command 5.7 here with bash here composer update. Okay, so that it can install intervention package that we require for uploading images and for resizing as well if we want to reduce the size of the image. Okay, so uh, so that thing we need to do. It will take few minutes, and there is another way of installing intervention package as well, and for that you can go to uh, series as well, install intervention package, install intervention package Laravel. Well, might be that installation. See this one. You can follow this video as well. Intervention package add plug image in e-commerce series. Okay, so you can simply follow this uh, link as well. Okay, so uh, for intervention package for version package installing intervention package, uh, you can follow below video as well. Okay, so it will take some time, I think, and after its installation then we will continue few of the things. And here, okay, let's go with another step, and I think we must wait for a few minutes. Okay, so intervention package we are going to use in our video, and here as well I can open another way of installing intervention package is also there, but we can install in this way as well. And I can click on intervention package once. See here in ecom series, we have followed the intervention package we have done with the different way. Okay, we have here given the different command, but this is the another way that we are installing this intervention package. I think it's now going to be over in few seconds. Okay, so after that we will continue with other things. Just wait for few more seconds, I think. Then will continue. Right now, I don't want to touch because it's installing. So that's why once it will install, then we will start working on other things. Okay. So wait for few more seconds. See here, you can see intervention image. Okay. So it is installing this one, this package. It is installing. Okay. So it is also updating composer update command not only updates intervention package, but it also install and update other packages as well. So it is taking more time, but it is always if you can update composer update, if you run composer update, then you can run. Now it's over. Okay, so this one is done. Now we can use intervention package. Okay, and we can continue with other steps. Now we can simply need to add use image here. Okay, now you have seen that have seen uh, that intervention package has been installed. Okay, so now we will take another step, that we are going to add header statement. We are going to add this header statement in UsersController file. Okay, add below header statement at top of UsersController. Okay, that is use image. Okay, that we require. We can add anywhere you want. We will add here along with JSON and auth use image. Okay, so next step, what we will do, we are going to create photos folder. Okay, where we are going to keep all the photos. But now we will create photos folder located at path. We are going to create here. We are searching earlier. Here we are going to create this path. Okay. Here I'm going to create new photos. Fine. Okay. So now after this, we need to finally update step 3 function. Okay. From where we need to update these photos, upload these photos. Okay, so now we need to update step 3 function, from where we will add command for uploading images. Sorry, we'll add syntax. We will add syntax that okay. So that we are going to do now. Okay, so let's do it in UsersController. Okay, so let's do it. Step 3. Okay, so here we are going to do this one. I'm going to disable now. Now it is not required. We have already seen that our images are coming fine here. Okay, so now we will follow these steps. Like, if image is valid, first of all we will check that whether our image is valid. So no, first of all we will check that whether image has file. We are going to use for checking that if it is file or not, because image is also a file. So we will check the photo we have used. We will check once again that step 3 braid file, so that we can come to know that photo is the name of the means field. Okay, photo we will use has file photo is coming or not. Okay, if the photo is coming, then we will do like this. Okay, then this condition will come. Okay, so so if the photo has come, then what we will do, we will create one file here, variable, and in this variable we are going to add all photos, like files we will do. Then what we will do, $request, like this. Then here we will add file again, and in this one what we will do, we will add photo here, like this. Okay, so in this one all the files, all the photos will come, and then we will use for each. Okay, so that we can loop through these files. Okay, like this we can use as $file, and then we need to add another, because see from this one we get all the photos whatever comes in that array. Okay, so we added all the photos in files, and files we now with for each we will means get one by one all the photos here. Okay, inside this. Now here we will add upload photo at folder. Okay, first we will upload photo at folder. Okay, so what we can do, we just need to set the extension of the image that we can get the from client get client original extension. That is the keyword, that is the built-in function provided by Laravel. Okay, so this one we require here. After that, one file name we will create like this. The file name in this one we will create one random value like this, random value 5. Okay, so here we are going to add like this. Okay, so here we will add the extension here we will add here. Okay, so we will give one random name to our file. Okay, that file name now this one is the random number. A random number we will add the extension with the random number, because we will not use the name given by the user, because user can give like some dummy image, like I have given some dummy image, means some like dummy 2, dummy 1, Amit. Like these kind of names will be overwritten if same kind of image comes again by the user, then it will create issues. So we'll give it a random name. Okay, so we can do like this. Here we can comment uh, get get photo extension. Okay, and here uh, give random name to image and add extension. Okay, like this. So after this we are going to uh, get image path. Okay, set image path, or you can say set image path. Okay, so here what we will do, like dollar image for path like this, and here what we will give that complete path, whatever it is, front end underscore images like this, and after that photos is the folder there, and then like this, and dot dollar file name like this, and okay, so image path will come like this, and this file name also we will add here, and this is the now the proper path where we are going to add image. And now uh, uh, now with this one folder. Okay, fine, it's fine. Right, folder. Now here we need to add. Okay, finally we will add. Okay, intervention intervention intervention. Okay, so intervention script will come here. Intervention script will come here. So here we will add intervention code. Okay, for uploading image. Okay, so here we will do image like this, make, and here our come like dollar file. Okay, so the file we are going to, and now we will say here like this dollar image path will come here. Okay, this is the intervention script. Okay, and this for this script we have added the intervention package. Okay, so uh, so by this we can able to save this image in this path. Okay, we have add this image to this path. This is the meaning of this one. Now this one is the one script with upload photos at folder. Okay, this is the script for that, and after that, now we will add. You can see add photo at user underscore photos table. Okay, now this is the second part. Here we have add photo at photos folder, and this is the one part. Okay, and now we will add photo at user photo table. Okay, so now we will do one dollar photo equal to, like we used to do, new user photo. That's the model we have created in last video. Okay, and now after this we will now do like this dollar photo, and photo will be here, then dollar file name. Okay, file name we will add here, and id for means that user id we need to add. We have seen the user id. Okay, there we are adding user id here. Okay, this user id also we need to add in here in here here in table. Okay, so we need to give user id as well, so we need to give here user id. Okay, so let's give user id as well, and here we can give user id, so like this. Okay, so we can simply add the user id we can get from here straight away. Okay, so after this we just need to save this photo in our table. Okay, so we can simply save it like this. Okay, so finally we able to add the photo, and after adding the photo we just close this one, and this one also we can close. And here what we will do, here we will do that return redirect kind of script. Okay, like we used to do everywhere. It will redirect back to step 3. Okay, and with with the flat success message. Okay, slash message. Okay, here we will add that message success we will add here, and like this, and here we will write the message like your photos. So this thing we will add like this: your photos has been added successfully, or any message that you want to give. Okay, so now we have done this thing. Now we can try adding the photos, and but one more step we need to give now. Uh, that is, we need to update. We'll give the success message where we need to give this that. Okay, so okay, fine. First of all, we can try that photos actually go or not. Okay, so let's refresh this page, and we'll select photos. Two of the photos that uh, we have selected here. Now we will check that whether photos will come here as well as will come here or not in both the places. Here it must come in table, and here it must come in folder. Okay, let's see that it will work or not. I'm going to click on submit, and now we will see it must return, oh, issue has come. We need to add this class as well, users photo. Okay, user photo, we need to add model. At the top we forgot to add the model, and so we need to add this model as well. Use app user photo. Okay, that model we need to add as well. So here we specify, we can specify add header statements. We can see use image and use app user photos. Okay, add below header statements, top of user controller. Okay, so we need to add these two. Okay, this one also. Okay, so I am going to refresh now, and we'll see the error comes now or not. And see now, page not found, another thing. And this 404 error, this is the new thing that we have found here. What a kind of 404. Wow, wow, this is really brilliant. This is really brilliant. This is the thing that I want in Laravel 5.7, and the 404 page has been modified. and this is the change we have seen in Laravel 5.7. It's never there in 5.6. Means the view of the 404 page is now, it looks wonderful, really wonderful. Okay, so that's the big thing. Okay, I am going to save it for future because this is the major thing that we have seen here. Okay, so 404 page design has been updated. Okay, so many new things we will learn in Laravel 5.7. Now coming back to our own video, and we need to still check that whether why this page is not working, and we need to see our routes that we have added step 3 in a proper way or not, and see we have made a mistake here, and we need to see our step 3 function. There we have made a mistake. Our, see, this is not like this, this is like this. Okay, so I have made this mistake myself. So I will go back now and will refresh once again, and see the files already comes, even it is not redirected to the right place. So I'm going to delete all the files once again, and we will try now once again. And here in here also data must come. See, here also data is coming fine perfectly of user ID 6. Okay, I'm going to empty once again because I want to check once again that everything will work fine or not. And see, now I empty. Now I will add once again here. So let's see, because the same page must appear open. Now I will click on submit, and now see the same page has come back because we have added the same page. Okay, so now again we will check, see, images are coming in database and images are coming in our photos folder as well. Okay, so now you have seen that everything is coming fine. Now you have seen in video that uh, that photos are coming in folder, and photo details coming in user underscore photos table as well. And you have also seen another update of Laravel 5.7, that that is the view of the 404 page. Okay, that is the wonderful view of the 404 page. The 404 page that looks lot better than Laravel 5.6. Okay, so now we need to show some kind of message. So we are going to update step 3.blade.php file. Okay, so add success message alert box in step 3.blade.php file to show the success message after uploading the images, uploading the photos. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply open some of the files, like in admin file we can open, and we can copy from here success and error message and paste. We can paste here as well. Okay, so you find it is. So we can now check again, and I am going to upload those images again now. Okay, so let's update those images again to images, submit. See, now, yeah, now it is coming fine. Your photo has been added successfully, but its design is not correct. I think it is not picking CSS. So we need to check its CSS. We need to open the front design. Okay, so here CSS is missing. We can open admin design as well. Okay, to check, see, bootstrap CSS is missing. We need to add bootstrap CSS. So we can add the same files. So we will update front underscore design dot blade dot php file. Okay, we need to add bootstrap CSS in admin in front design file in front design dot blade dot php file. Okay, so now we are going to add this one in front design at the top. We can add. Okay, so we can add like this from the scripts. We can add now. I'm going to refresh it again and we'll add images once again. One, two, now open, submit. Multiple images I am adding for one user. See, your photos has been added successfully. Now it is coming fine, and you can see lot of photos have been added now, and see, you can see here as well because we have added again and again, and see their names. They are never override. They keep on adding because we are not going to override the images. Okay, so now everything is working fine, and okay, so now you have see in video success message also coming correctly after uploading photos. And now in next video we will display these photos as well in my photos page of users, and will give him will give him another feature, and will add another feature to set the part photo that will come at front in all in everywhere in dating here in our dating website. Okay, and much more we will do in next video. Okay, stay tuned. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope everything is clear till this part, and you learn how to upload images, multiple images, and how to add in folder, and how to add in table, and how to install intervention package. Okay, so we can also resize the images in the intervention package if in case you want to resize the images. Okay, this one we have done in our ecom series. If you remember, if you guys following our ecom series, then you can able to see the ecom series, and you can open that folder where we are adding images in product controller. I think, yeah, in product controller we are adding multiple images. Okay, you can see, go in images and can see the how we need to resize. You can resize like this. Okay, so only syntax you can resize to any. First one is the width and height, so you can add this syntax like this. Okay, so means this here you need to add resize. Okay, if in case you want to resize the image to your own side, then you can simply add the syntax like this. Okay, so that it will resize to any particular side you want. Okay, so for resizing the images, showing the image, you need to add below syntax. Okay, below syntax like this one, resize. In here you will add like this. Okay, like this. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, so then it will add, or we can say like height is always more in photo. You can say that 600 is the height and 400 is the width. I am just giving you an example. 400 is the width, where 600 is the height. Okay, had, okay, earlier on. Okay, replace, you just need to replace below, means earlier on it was syntax will be like this, replace below with this one, sorry, replace this syntax, okay, with this syntax, okay. So for recent image you need to add below syntax, replace below with this one, 600 easy height and 400 easy width. Okay, so this is the thing for resizing the images. Okay, so you can do like this if you want to resize your image in photos. Okay, so I just can do here, where we have done the updation of that step 3 function. Okay, here I'm going to add this one. Okay, so that you are going to aware of this thing. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.